Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 12S Ultra device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this smartphone. So firstly, open the Play Store and find here Cube ACR app. Click Install. And click Open. Click Next. Grant permissions. Allow. Enable App Connector. Here choose Downloaded Apps. Scroll down, find your Cube ACR App Connector. Use Cube ACR. I'm aware. Click I'm aware and wait a while. Click OK. Add Cube to Auto Start, click OK again, enable, go back, OK, go eat, no restrictions, OK, go eat, no thanks, OK, go eat, cross on the top corner, open the home screen, open the recent apps, click on the Cube ACR button, and here you need to check that permissions. You need to have all permissions, maybe not all home screen shortcuts. You don't need to provide home screen shortcuts and pop-up window and clipboard, yes it says MMS, no, great. And now check that you have no restrictions in battery saver, restrict usage data. You need to have restrict data usage? No, man, don't restrict. Oh, so sorry, no, you need to enable Wi-Fi and mobile data, okay? Then notifications, yes, permissions, yes, it says auto start, yes, app behavior running, great. Now go back to the home screen, open the recent apps again, click and hold on Cube ACR, and click on lock button, and here near the Cube ACR application, you will see lock icon. And great, all your calls from the phone, from the WhatsApp, will be automatically recorded. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.